Hey Cam, someone commented, tell her about the Gaeltacht.
Gaeltacht. For those of you who don't know, I went to an all-Irish school, so my whole schooling was in the Irish language.
Like math was in Irish.
Everything was in Irish.
That's just crazy.
Gaeltacht is somewhere very important to us as Irish speakers because Gaeltachts are places in Ireland where the Irish language is the main language. It's what the people speak.
Do they know English?
English is either not known very much or it's barely spoken. Irish is the main language. So all Irish people know about Gaeltachts, but not all Irish people would visit the Gaeltacht. Whereas for us, being in an all-Irish school, my school, every year the 12-year-olds go to the Gaeltacht for 2 weeks.
You lived there for 2 weeks?
Yeah, you spent 2 full weeks there. But being fluent in Irish, it wasn't very hard.
Comment below if you've ever been to a Gaeltacht and your experience there, or if you've ever heard of it.
An interesting little fact, there's actually Gaeltachts